Welcome to Design a CPU. If you want to get the most out of the course, I would suggest a book, But How Do It Know by J. Clark Scott. The design we're going to be working through is the one based on that book. Now we're going to start off with a software tool called Logisim, which is a freeware piece of software, and we'll use that in order to design a CPU. We'll then go on and we'll look at the simple gates like AND gate, OR gate, the NAND, the NOR, the exclusive OR. And then we'll build up a 1 bit of memory, 1 byte of memory, and then a 256 byte RAM. We'll then go and design and build an arithmetic logic unit, and then we'll go and we'll design the control section. Now when we design the control section, we will be designing our own instruction set, and from that instruction set we will create our own assembly language, and from that assembly language we'll go and create an assembler in Excel, and then we'll design our first assembly language program and we'll load it into our CPU, and you'll be able to see it running. Now I've been very particular about the way I designed the clock for this CPU, and I've designed it so that you can see every single change within the CPU. So every single 1 and 0 that goes into the CPU, you'll be able to track it all the way through, and you'll be able to see those changes happening right in front of you. So if this sounds like the kind of course that you're interested in, then sign up and let's get started.